This is a distance measuring device using Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. It is built using an Arduino Uno, HESRO4 ultrasonic sensor, OLED display, jumper wires, and a breadboard. Now we need to make the connections according to the circuit diagram. Let me know in comments if you want the Arduino code or the circuit diagram. As I move the object closer or farther, the distance updates in real time. This can be used in robotics, obstacle detection, or even smart blind sticks. Thanks for watching this video. Follow and subscribe for more interesting Arduino projects video.